Hi, everyone. I'm Moritz. I'm the co-founder of ElectricFeel. As Jan just said, I'm from Zurich, originally from Hamburg, though. But we're based in Zurich as a spin-off from the ETH, and we're focused on building the future of mobility networks. What you see in the back here is an electric scooter in Barcelona, in an e-scooter sharing network, which is now part of the largest global networks of shared mobility with electric scooters, a fleet of over 1,000 vehicles in 4 cities now. What this is, it's really a new type of transport in the city, but it's all at pretty small scale. So even if we speak of 1,000 vehicles, it's very small to the potential that it bears when you think of future mobility and the demand that people have for this type of flexible, clean, and also silent mobility. So let me show you what we do. We focus on solving the core problem that all of these systems have. In bike sharing, there's a lot of data that we've also analyzed, and we can tell from working 5 years with bike sharing operators closely that there are core problems in this business case of shared mobility. The first one is that the way that people use these networks is extremely complex. So there are patterns that human brains cannot absorb and repeat, meaning there are very hard ways to balance the fleet out. And the result is that people get frustrated not finding a bike or a scooter in the network. And the second problem is it's very unclear to how to describe the performance of the system and design your business case around it. Number 3 is the vehicle availability is very hard to achieve, and that's the #1 indicator for service quality for users. And how in bike sharing they do it is they have trucks and they load the bikes on top of these trucks. Obviously, you can't do that with electric cars and electric scooters. Number 4 is that the battery charging problem is a big one as soon as you start to scale up the system and people are running out of batteries. This can be solved. As I said, we worked over many years with bike-sharing operators already. And this is a case study in Mainz, where we increased drastically the operations efficiency, meaning when they balance the fleet out, it gets to more users. Our team is based in Zurich, spun off from ETH. We had a first round of investment last year and completed this with another loan investment this year. And we're currently growing and working very closely with ETH, the Machine Learning Institute. And now I come to what we actually do. We run a platform that is meant to design, run, and scale these type of mobility systems using artificial intelligence. So it uses all the historical data from the system, is able to predict where people need vehicles, and then it allows the operator to run the system to have the vehicles where people need them and when they need them. It's a complete management system, and it includes also the user interfaces, so end users can get access to vehicles. It's very easy and modular, so you can connect any type of vehicle, be it a bike, e-bike, electric scooter, or electric car. And it also allows to be integrated with public transport, as we've done before. And with this, we have some traction, and we have big goals, and that's why I'm standing here right now. We believe that there are a number of companies also in this room who can be the next operators of future mobility using our tools in a partnership. So thank you very much, and I look forward to speaking to you in this evening.